This error message has been a common thing for a while. So we normally said whenever you first use your Fire Stick, or if you haven't used the downloader app in a while. So in this video, I'm gonna go over 3 methods to fix it. Method number 1, go over to the settings, go to your applications, then select managed installed applications. From here, we're going to find and select the downloader app. So basically, we're going to be resetting the app so it can work properly. To do this, select clear data, then select clear data again to confirm, and then do this a second time. So select clear data and then select clear data to confirm. Now, once you relaunch the app or reopen the app, it should work properly. Most times you don't need method number 2 or method number 3, but I'm gonna still go over them just in case. But it's very important, once you do open the app for the first time after doing this, select the allow option. So it gives the downloader app permission to download those apps that you're trying to get from those different websites. And something to keep in mind is if you had something saved in favorites, when you clear the data, it'll remove that, so you'll have to re-add that. Now, method number 2 is basically just uninstalling the app and then reinstall it. So it's kind of the same as restarting the app, but it's like you can think of it as a hard reset. Method number 3, most times if you wait about 15 to 30 minutes, it'll fix itself. Like I had this issue myself. It happened maybe like 2 to 3 years back, and I used to tell people just wait like 15 minutes, then try it again, and it actually worked. So that's method number 3 if none of the other 2 methods work. But again, method number 1 should work. But that's all I have for this video, y'all. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.